go now.
You die.
Luigi escaped.
Mini Luigi is escaping now. He's tearing up all this snot.
Butterfinger. I'm a Butterfinger.
Stupid Butterfinger candy.
I want a Butterfinger. Put the Butterfinger in here.
Oh.
Well, you won't be able to eat it, and neither will all of us.
It's not Butterfinger.
Yeah, it is. Get the Butterfinger.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Not so fast, Luigi.
The ghost of the dead? Me! I'm Ouija. I'm Ouija. I'm Ouija.
Luigi's
I'm
the
Ouija.
ghost.
I'm Ouija.
Luigi's a ghost.
Mini.
Oh no, he's a ghost. Don't give surgery to me right now. This is a really important situation.
surgery. Get my
Don't give me surgery. Don't.
Yes.
Do you want me to save this hospital or not? Then don't give me surgery.
Give him surgery. Fine. I'll just give you some surgery.
No, I have to save this place.
You're dying.
No, I'm going to become
Mini
the...
Luigi? Seriously, where to put him?
in there.
Put him in. Put him in the dying.
What?
And there's a. This will make him die.
Yeah.
He's the
ghost of Luigi.
I'm the ghost of the Ouija! Or the Wedgie.
Ah.